Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. With hours to go before the start of the 2025 general election, there's concern that both political parties are overlooking one of Jamaica's untapped resources, the diaspora. Diaspora members warn that the country is leaving millions of dollars in business opportunities on the table. Deidre Thomas reports.
Red tape, unanswered calls, and missed connections. Members of the Jamaican diaspora are raising concerns that the island is losing out on major business opportunities because of the lack of engagement with them. They argue that this disconnect is stifling what could be a powerful driver of economic growth.
What is Jamaican businesses' aversion from sending a press release to Jamaican and Caribbean media outlets to let them know what they're doing, what they're marketing, what they want to trade? What a press release. I'm not even talking about what you should be doing, which is truly engaging with the communities abroad and turning them into your customers. I'm not even talking about that. I'm just a press release.
This comes as Jason Walker, president of Caribbean Georgia Vote, says with elections approaching, neither party's manifestos has outlined any concrete plans to engage the diaspora, something he describes as a troubling omission.
None of the promises really move me from a diaspora perspective. But if we can change the perception of corruption, that of course changes the perception for business. Makes it easier to talk to people about investing back home.
Mr. Walker has long argued that the diaspora's impact is undeniable, contributing an estimated $3.5 billion annually in remittances.
I don't know what the version is, but we really need to get to a space where the diaspora and Jamaica back home are like this. Right now, there's a simple service of the ability, the systems that are in place where diaspora people can buy groceries in Jamaica and send to their loved ones. Why is there not a robust conversation about that? You should have millions of Jamaicans right now sending money to Jamaica to send to their loved ones. We have a high percentage of older family members in Jamaica. If we get to a place where we're really working together, definitely from an economic and a resources perspective, it will be huge. And it's not like the systems aren't in place.
But he stressed that the real potential goes far beyond cash transfers, saying more structured dialogue could unlock investments in manufacturing, tourism, technology, and sports.
If you have high trade between Jamaicans and the diaspora and back home, that means you have businesses growing at a high level. That means you have conversations about franchises like Juicy Patty, Golden Cross, so on, being ridiculous powerhouses that now they influence even the policies in this country to make sure they benefit Jamaica. Like I said, if you can't start there, Deidre, how can you talk about things that are more complicated?
Deidre Thomas, TVJ News.
To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 1,021 points today, while the junior market advanced by 16 points. The winners include KLE Group, AS Barden & Sons Holdings, Sterling Investments, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, and Omni Industries. The losers were led by R.A. Williams Distributors, Epic Caribbean Property Fund, Guardian Holdings, The Lab, and the Sagicor Real Estate X Fund. 21 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.02. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.48. The pound is going for $217.70, while the euro is selling for an average $191.10. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.